It's July 1st, 2021, and we are looking at the lifting of the 7th segment. If you count the segments from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the one on the crane is 7. So it's kind of awesome. And there's one more after this. So we've got 7 en route, and the 8th is down the road. Maybe they'll roll that down today also. But I think we're looking at a booster roll down. Elon said they're probably gonna, I didn't see the tweet, but I heard that he had said they were gonna be moving the 3rd booster, BN3, or there's debate about what it's called, but there's gonna be maybe a huge booster moving down the road. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage of the platform that maybe they may, I'm assuming they may roll a crane down the road. I've got to go check it out because they had pallet drivers moving like large wooden pallet kind of things onto the road. So maybe they're going to be using a crane for that. I haven't seen that yet. So I'll do some zooms and I'll get a coverage of the area. I'm not going to leave it on this. I'll cover the final one after it's finished, but I'm gonna zoom around and I'm just gonna pan up and down and see if we can see some people and see what's happening. So there are some people up there at the top, and they're, I guess, waiting for it to arrive. It's a really nice day. The sky is almost completely blue. There's some clouds on the horizon to the south. Maybe I'll pan around. Not yet though. Let me stick to this. Let me stick to this. I'm wondering, on the left there, is that a... Yeah, it doesn't look like a person. It looks like a silhouette, but no, on the left there, just above the pad, on that next rung, there's nobody there, but I can see it now with the zoom here. It's looking pretty nice to me, that pad. There is an elevator which goes from the bottom mostly to the top. I haven't seen if they added the section for 5 and 6 yet, never mind 7, but I will get some photos of that later today, see if they added that shaft. I know there are stairs on 6 and 5, but I'm not sure if there's an elevator shaft. So it's gonna be that tall on there. That's another look. Okay, I'll get another video right now, and I'll come back to this later today.